Alright guys, I have some good news and bad news. First thing first, the good news is these chicks are doing fantastic. So you can see this one is almost a week old, and these two are like a few days behind the first, the oldest chick. And I got one more egg here. And also have one leopard gecko egg is doing good too. As you can see, the temperature is 84 degrees. I can't put the leopard gecko eggs inside because it's too hot. So I set this incubator around 99.5 degree. It's 98.2 right now because I just opened it. So obviously I'm doing this because the parents didn't do a good job incubating the eggs. I had a lot of bad eggs before, so I decided to give myself a try, and not bad. Got 3 hatched and 1 right there. Actually, I got 4 hatched right here, but unfortunately this one didn't make it. So I lived for 4 days, I believe, but during those 4 days it didn't really gain any weight. Actually, right there, that one born right like a day after this chick, and he actually put on a lot of weight compared to the one just passed away. I tried my best. I promise. It just didn't work out. So today, I know a lot of people probably don't like this, but I'm going to, like give this to my monitor. Alright guys, here's a monitor. As you can see, he did put on some, length, and doing a great job right now. So let's feed him. I swear this is no longer alive. If you don't want to watch it, just like exit out. But the monitor gotta eat. Yeah? Well, he's smelling it. That was a weak take, but oh well, he got it. And this is just a very, good enrichment for him. It's not like everyday meal. It's just once in a while. Maybe it's going to be his last time eating a baby cockatiel, because that's an expensive meal right there. And come on, show. Just want to get the angle right. Look how beautiful this lizard is. And that's it, and he's done. He's still a little feisty, but I've been working on him a lot more, and of course his attitude is much better than before. If you guys new to just this channel, I used to have 2 monitors, but I gave one of them away, and I keep the biggest one out of those 2. And if you haven't seen the video of me unboxing those little guys, please do so. It's of course in my channel. Just go in there and check them out. And what I'm going to do next is to weight him and measure him. Alright, I got a scale ready. I bought this just to measure out the ratio of water and substrate for leopard gecko eggs, but you know, put this in use. Okay, just restart. Last time when I weighed him, he was around 54 grams. Let's see how well he does this time. Let's see. I have to do it very slow because he would just jump out the bed and run. Okay, alright, relax, relax. 58. So you gain 4 grams in total. Alright, now let's measure him. He seems a lot longer this time. So last time he was 15.5 inches. So let's see what's the measurement this time. Alright, I got this marked around 17 inches. So let's see. Right here. I'm going to extend a little bit since his tail is kind of squeaky. And it's very hard to do with one hand, so just bear with me. Okay. I would say 16 inches. Let's try again. Come on. Face that way. Face that way. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I would say 16 inches since his tail is kind of curly. So he did put on some, you know, like size. Not a lot, but still, that's a good thing. It's a way to go. And usually I feed him in the bathtub, so no risk of, you know, impaction at all. So if you like this video, give a thumb up, and I'm going to feed him more variety of, you know, food like worms and quick kits, mice, whatever you can think of. So this is the whole video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and peace out.